boxcar's gone through a lot of cool changes throughout the last couple of months. We just finished up our open house. We had some really cool donations come in.
That's part of an old railroad telephone system.
Awesome.
A lot of people are really happy to see the progress that's been made.
This is an official Pennsylvania Railroad spike maul that would have been used by track workers when they were actually putting the railroad track together to hammer the spikes into the ties. This came from my brother-in-law's great-grandfather who actually worked for the PRR.
We're really looking forward in the next couple of weeks to digging more into the history and the context of them and to really sharing them with the public at the end of the summer.
And I felt this needed to be put in a place where people could, see it and it could be showed off for the piece of history and the cool artifact that it is. And so far, we've done a great job. Everything inside, the climate control was great.
All of us are working very hard towards an opening at Cornfest and a grand opening in early September. We'll see you then.